Hey guys, hope you're doing good. Today in this video we are going to change the DNS in the computer so that the website load faster in the browser. So whenever we type any website, so it resolves it. So when we change the domain name resolution DNS to a faster DNS, the website loading time gets lower and we get a better performance in the browser. So let's get started. So here at the bottom right corner, you see the Wi-Fi icon. You just have to do a right click and then click on Open Network and Internet Settings. A new window will appear like this. The network status, you are connected to Internet, Wi-Fi, and here we are looking for change adapter options. So once you click on that, a window will appear like this. Network connection, and here you need to select your network adapter. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can select the Wi-Fi, and if you're using Ethernet, it must have a green thing. You just need to select that. So since I'm using Wi-Fi, I'll just select it and I'll do a right click and I'll go to Properties and I'll select Internet Protocol version 4, and we need to click on Properties again, and you will get a window like this. Internet Protocol DNS server address, use the following. So I'll select use, and we will change the DNS from here so that the website loading speed gets better. There are a lot of research has been done, and it has been found that the Google DNS is the fastest DNS. So here you just need to type 8 and then click here and then again type 8 and 8, and after typing that, go to the alternate DNS server and type 8, 8, and here 4 and 4. Once you do that, hit OK and click on close and just restart the computer and check the difference. There will be surely a difference when you open the browser and try to browse anything like facebook.com or anything. It must load faster. Let me know, has it worked for you or not? And if you have any kind of issues, let me know in the comment section. I'll surely help. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.